I can only hold him for so long, baby.
Okay. Here. Taco. Okay. Taco, it's your birthday. It's your birthday. Oh.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Taco. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Taco, make a wish.
You want to wish? Want me to blow it out for you? Okay, 1, 2, we're going to blow it all together. Yay!
Yay!
Happy
Taco
birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy number 1.
You're one. Give mommy a kiss. Mommy a kiss. Give me a kiss. I love
Happy
you.
1 year old.
Oh, okay. Now we can have birthday cake. Now we have birthday cake. I'm having a birthday cake.
I think we can eat it all.
Taco, have a birthday cake. Here, eat a birthday cake. Beef. That's beef. Yeah, love it. Isn't that delicious? Yeah, more?
Want to get spoon from him? Can you feed him some?
No, he can't do it. He's just a little shy right now. Kiwi loves it.
There's broccoli in here.
Have broccoli, have egg, blueberries,
Everything a dog's can eat.
and the beef. And beef. And the dog food. Oh, you love beef. Here, Kiwi. Give me some. Oh, Kiwi. Give you some meat. Oh, Kiwi is a fruit girl. Eat all the broccoli. Oh, no. Eat
Look at
all
all
blueberries.
the hair that's on me. I get a roller anyways, right?
Yeah. Oh, Taco, you're 1 year old.
Kiwi is eating this so fast.
Taco is like a gentleman. Kiwi
Kiwi's like, Taco's eating like a gentleman. Kiwi's eating it like...
Kiwi, are we starved you? Are you like you never eat food?
I think it's like the happiest moment of Kiwi's life. Oh,
Taco, stay there. Eat your food.
you gotta help him, baby.
No, I just want to do. I just want to make sure I film it. I'm helping you, Taco. I'm helping you.
His mama's boy. He wants to.
Come here.
No, it's perfect, Kiwi.
Oh my!
Yeah, I think Kiwi's gonna eat
Oh
too much.
my goodness,
I gotta take
Kiwi.
Kiwi away because I think she's eating too much already. Do you want me to take her away?
Here, Taco. Here.
Here, can I take Kiwi away?
No, I hate it.
Yeah, I think she eats too much. Can I take her away?